Welcome back. Time now for the Financial Week. The Princess Hotels and Resorts in Green Island, Hanover has been officially opened. It's an investment of $400 million. Kimberly Petty was there.
Patrons were in a celebratory mood on Thursday evening at the Princess Hotels and Resorts as the island's newest resort was officially opened. The project, which was built to the tune of more than $450 million, has over 1,000 rooms. The hotel is the largest built in Jamaica in 15 years. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was a keynote speaker.
This is one of the most beautiful hotels that I have seen. I'm told that every room has a view to the sea. And that's fantastic. That's a major selling point. And I give kudos to the designers of the hotel. They have done an amazing job.
The hotel, which has 1,400 workers, is set to hire another 300 workers in a few weeks.
And I want to big up Princess tonight, because Princess is the first hotel in Jamaica to build 500 rooms for the workers of the tourism industry. And the Prime Minister advised me that that is a major area of pivot, that every investment that comes hereafter must have with it a component for housing for the workers of the tourism industry.
The hotel has adopted the Green Island High School and Harvard Hall Primary in a bid to foster strong community relationships. It has also pledged to work closely with the Noel Homes and Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital. At the grand opening, Managing Director Enrica Pezzoli also made this announcement.
Princess is proud to be the first in Jamaica to offer a full-service style casino. Where guests can enjoy exciting state-of-the-art gaming lounge and at the same time world-class food and beverage experience. Construction has already started and we are planning to open our casino by fourth quarter 2025.
For the Financial Week, I'm Kimberly Petty.
Scotia Group has reported impressive financial results for the year ending October 31, 2024, with a net income of $20.2 billion, up 17% compared to the previous year. Fourth quarter income also grew by 13% to $6.2 billion, showcasing consistent growth across all business lines. The group's total assets increased by $40.3 billion, reaching $705 billion, driven by a robust loan portfolio. Personal banking loans rose by 13%, while mortgages surged by 26%. Commercial loans also performed strongly with an 11% increase over the last year. Meanwhile, deposits climbed by 7% to $476.1 billion, signaling continued customer confidence in Scotia Group's stability. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 996 points to close at 300,022,012 points, while the junior market index advanced by 5 points to close at 3,692 points. Among the winners were Honeybun, JMMB 9.5%, Carbon Assurance Brokers, Salada Foods, and JMMB 7.25% preference shares. On the losing side were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Knutsford Express, Pulse Investments, Scotia Group Jamaica, and General Accidents. 22 stocks remained at the same price at the end of trading. To the foreign exchange market now. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.76. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.77. $199.54 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $164.41. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and our Bite of the Week are all next.